This video is to announce our holiday coupon code and other specials, as well as some updates with some changes on the items that we have on our Etsy. We are HB Plasma Solutions. That stands for Heartbridge Plasma Water Solutions. Also find us on Etsy, where we have all the different things that we've been creating over the past years, but finally put together in a way to share with others on Etsy about a year ago, upon request of a friend to create the plasma items to share with her Patreon group. See our playlist for the quick start video for these items. This video is to announce our holiday coupon code and other specials, as well as some updates with some changes on the items that we have on our Etsy. We are widening our audience, so we want to make sure that this group gets what they want as far as the plasma items. The DIY special we have, make sure to remember your friends and family. The DIY set is a good place to start with plasma technology. Also, if you have yet to try plasma water in your life, the DIY set is a great place to start. We want to make sure everybody that wants one gets one, at least the DIY set, so that they have some plasma to help them through these coming times. We've made an extra set of 50 to stock up for this purpose. And I just created a coupon code that's good for 20% off this DIY set. That's really giving it to you at near cost for our time, supplies, shipping, and and the research and things like that are just a bonus. So we have a coupon code for 20% off. Just make sure that you get your order in as soon as you can so that we can get them mailed out by the holidays. Listen to the interviews for more coupons. Now, this coupon code is only good for the DIY set. We also have our usual $11 special for a few of the DIY sets each month for parents of kids on the autistic spectrum, Down syndrome, special needs kids. If you know somebody that applies, please send them this information or contact us. We also have a new lower price for one of the items called the combo set. I adjusted that a little bit to create a basic necklace to go with that set so we could lower the price by $10 from the original price to make it more affordable for more people. With this set, you get the DIY and the necklace. So you get a tube for your water bottle, you get a tube for your fruit and veggie preservative spray, and a necklace to really play with plasmifying your life. So big gratitude. We've sent out over 700 orders around the world this past year, and we want to thank you all for doing your part in raising the vibration, adding plasma potentials, and adding your light to this crazy world, and helping others along the way. So I wanted to take a moment here to explain the difference between the necklaces available in our premium necklaces and the one that I created for the combo set. So the premium necklace is a bit more, I would say, elegant, dressy, dainty, and it has a little lobster clasp at the bottom that you can take it on and off of any other necklace that you might have. The closure on that necklace is a nice magnetic closure, and the colors, it comes in 5 different colors that you can choose from. Now the necklace that comes with the combo, we tried to make a little more basic necklace that required a lot less parts and time so that we keep the price down. And my daughters have been kind enough to make me the slip knot necklaces. Now that comes only in black. The little charm at the bottom with the vial on it does not have a lobster clasp like the other premium necklaces do. It's just attached to that necklace. The vial itself is a little, it's actually a little larger in size, but maybe not quite as dainty and dressy looking as the other one, which some guys like that a little bit better as well. So those are the main differences. And while I'm on that subject, I wanted to take a quick moment and explain the difference between the DIY set and the hug for your water bottle. On the left, the DIY set comes with one tiny tube for your water bottle, so you have still quite a dynamic vortex going through your water bottle, but just from that one tube. Whereas on the right, the hug has two different tubes sewn into the stretchy band so that they stay in place, and the two slightly different formulas make two dynamic vortexes, more of a Vesica Pisces type of a field effect. And then back on the left again, the DIY set. The stretchy band that comes with it is just a simple, just like it says, stretchy band. It's not been sewn in any way. It's just a way to put the little baggie that has your tube in it on the outside of your water bottle if you choose. Now both of them come with the fruit and veggie preservative tiny tube to put in your own spray bottle and preserve your fruits and veggies, because we think everybody should have one of those going into these times. Using plasma water is super simple. Just get your tiny tube in or near some water and it goes to work. We are HB Plasma Solutions. That stands for Heartbridge Plasma Water Solutions. More on the subject of what GANS is and plasma technology in general is available in our free ebook and our other videos.